Afternoon folks, I'm just in a local park doing some bird watching and it's very busy, yeah. Just wanted to come and tell you that DxO have released a huge batch of new camera and lens modules, 1,846. So what does it mean? It means that DxO can optically correct RAW files from lots of brand new gear. Most of you are probably aware that the Canon R6 Mark III has just come out. That's just been added. As well as that, the Canon EOS C50, which is the cinema camera, DJI Mini 5 Pro, Fujifilm X-T33 and Leica ME1V, to name but a few. That means that DxO software like Photolab or Pure Raw will now auto-correct lens distortion, chromatic aberration, vignetting and sharpness specific to those bodies and lenses. Huge for shooting RAW and getting the best out of your kit. Now it's not just cameras, DxO now supports profiles for dozens of recent lenses including the Nikon Z24 to 70mm f2.8s2, the OM System M Zuka ED 50 to 200mm, the Panasonic Lumix S100 to 500mm, the Tamron 25 to 200mm and 70 to 180mm G2, and the Zeiss Otus 85mm f1.4 in several mounts. Again, these profiles help DxO correct lens quirks precisely, meaning sharper edges and better color right out of the box. So why does this matter for photographers? It means sharper, cleaner, raw files. Instead of guessing how to fix distortion or softness, DxO's engines know exactly body and glass and apply science-backed corrections. Better editing workflow. Projects that start in DxO, Photolab or Pure Raw come out pre-corrected and are more faithful to what you actually shot. Broader gear support equals more photographers can use these tools without missing modules. So if you're switching systems or shooting newer cameras, this update is very big news. DxO regularly updates these camera lens profiles to keep pace with new gear releases. It's how the software retains value for photographers who want deep optical corrections that many other editors just simply don't offer. So there you go folks, there's the big update from DxO. Great to include the Canon R6 Mark III, which I don't have, but I'd love to. If you'd like this update, please like and subscribe. And remember, my referral code is StormCab, 15% off of all DxO software. See you next time.